how to add EasyJet Link card to Apple Wallet. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of the device. Once you are inside the settings, scroll down and then move into Wallet. It will be landing you on this page. At the top, you can see the option where it says Add Card. Click on it. Two different options will be available to you. One is debit or credit card and the other is travel card. So what you want to do is click on travel card. Tons of different travel cards will be available to you. As you're looking for adding EasyJet Link, in the search bar, search for EasyJet Link. But you can see no result is found. It's because you are not in the specific region where EasyJet card is enabled and can be used. So for you, if the card is available, simply click on it. You have to enter the detailed information of your EasyJet Link card. Once you have entered, tap on Save. After that, your EasyJet Link card will be added to your Apple Wallet, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add EasyJet Link card on your Apple Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.